There is this secret that I think you must know. Do you know that you can turn on your airplane mode and browse for a very long period and also save the lifespan of your battery? You see, sometimes when you are browsing the internet within a shorter period, then your data bundle run out, and also within a shorter period, then your battery run out. It will drain fast. But when you turn on your airplane mode, you will stay very long on the internet. So I go by the name Koscyber. Subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share to get more videos like this, tech tricks. Let's get started. So now let's get started into the video. So you see my data is on. Anytime that you do this, make sure your data is on. You have a little amount of data bundle. Let's say like you have 50 MB amount of data bundle. Then the next thing you will do is you will turn on the airplane mode once your data is on. You turn it on. You see now we are on airplane mode. So let's search something on the internet and find and check whether it will come. Okay, so let's go to YouTube and search for something. Whether it will come. You see, no connection. But we have this magic that it will work for us. Okay, so let's go back. So now let's search something on Google and see whether it will come. So let's see, let's search my name Koscyber and see whether it will come. You see, it's never work because the airplane mode is on. But this trick, this code will help us do away with this. So let's go straight to our phone. Then you dial this code, this simple code, which is star hash star hash 4636 hash star hash star. It will automatically move. Then you go to phone informations. From phone information, the information of your phone will what? Appear. Then you turn on your mobile radio power. Then and that is all. Please and please, this code is for normal Android phone. But if you are using some phones like Vivo, Huawei, and some other phones, I will list their code in the description. So do well to check the description and find the code for your phone. So now let's go back and check whether we can browse the internet. So first of all, let's go to YouTube and check whether it will work. Remember, our airplane mode is still on. Let's wait for it to finish loading. Why? It didn't go back to the place it was before. Whoa! You see, the airplane mode is still what? On. So let's search for something on the internet and see. Let's search for Koscyber TV. That is our TV channel that we talk about entertainment and showbiz. Whoa. Okay, let's play this video and see whether it will come. Remember, our airplane mode is still A. So it is working. You can use this one for a very long period and it will also lifespan of your battery. So now let's go back. Let's go home and see. Let's search for something on the on where Google Chrome and see. Let's search for Koscyber. Whoa, it is perfectly working. It is perfectly working. So you can also give it a try at your doorstep and see the result. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment and share. And also don't forget to tap on the notification bell to get notified anytime we do an upload. I go by the name Koscyber.